Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add indicators in the Exness charts. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to web trading inside of Exness and sign into our account. Now, once we're inside of the charts here, if we take our attention to the top of the charts, we can see indicators. So click on indicators. Now we can scroll down with the different type of indicators we can use, so you can see all the different ones we can put in. So for example, if I want to do an RSI, I can type in RSI. I can add in some relative strength index here. Now if I want to add in some Bollinger Bands, I can type in Bol and it's going to autofill for you to make it a bit quicker. We can add some Bollinger Bands as well. Now if we click out of that, we can see these indicators are currently on here. Now if you want to go ahead and remove these indicators, you can as well. So just go ahead and click next to the indicator and we've got 3 dots. Now just go ahead and click on remove, and that's going to remove that indicator. Or we can go ahead and click on indicators, type in that indicator that you got, so Bollinger Bands, and then we can delete that too by see I've got 3 Bollinger Bands that I made a mistake, so I'll need to click on to where the 3 dots are, remove, again remove, and the last one here, remove these Bollinger Bands.